how to add your Gmail account to Thunderbird. So just enter your Thunderbird, of course, and here you'll be able to find the triple line thingy. You're gonna go ahead and press on that to show these options. You're gonna press on account settings to open up another tab, and then here you can press on new account. On new account, you're gonna choose mail account, and then you're gonna put in your full name, your full display name, and then here on the email address is going to be your Gmail. Then you're gonna have to fill in a few more information, choose from your IMAP or POP tree. In your case, IMAP should be much faster and easier. And then once you're done filling in the information and details, just go ahead and press on continue. It's gonna do a short process, but once that's all done, you'll be able to see a tab like this. The email account will be connected successfully, and then just go ahead and press on finish, and then your Gmail account will then be connected to your Thunderbird. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.